Reward apps that receive regular updates usually stay compatible with newer phones, fix bugs faster, and introduce fresh earning opportunities more consistently than apps that rarely change. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that are known for ongoing development, and why regular updates matter before you invest your time. The first app is Fetch Rewards. It regularly refreshes its shopping offers, improves receipt recognition, and continues refining the overall user experience. Frequent updates also help keep the app working smoothly across newer Android and iPhone devices. Second is Mistplay. New games are added over time, recommendations are adjusted, and the app continues improving its reward system. If you enjoy discovering new mobile games, those updates help keep the experience from feeling repetitive. Third is Rewarded Play. The app regularly rotates supported games and makes adjustments to improve navigation and overall performance. That means users often have new earning opportunities instead of seeing the same list for months. The fourth recommendation is Microsoft Rewards. Microsoft continues updating both its rewards experience and the connected services that work with it. Users benefit from ongoing improvements instead of relying on an app that stays unchanged for long periods. The fifth app is Swagbucks. New earning opportunities, updated surveys, promotional events, and interface improvements appear throughout the year. Frequent maintenance also helps resolve issues that users report through customer support. Regular updates matter because reward apps depend on partnerships, mobile operating systems, and changing offers. An app that isn't maintained can develop login problems, outdated offers, or compatibility issues after major Android or iOS updates. That doesn't mean every update adds exciting new features. Sometimes the biggest improvements happen behind the scenes through bug fixes, security enhancements, or performance optimizations that make the app more reliable day after day. Before downloading any reward app, check the App Store listing and read the recent update history. An actively maintained app is generally a better long-term choice than one that hasn't received attention for an extended period. It's also worth reading the newest user reviews, instead of only looking at the overall rating. Recent reviews often reveal whether the latest updates improved the experience or introduced new problems. To recap, Fetch Rewards, Mistplay, Rewarded Play, Microsoft Rewards, and Swagbucks all stand out because they continue receiving updates that keep the apps useful and competitive. Choose the app that matches how you prefer to earn rewards. Then keep automatic updates enabled so you always have the latest features and fixes. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward apps and real money earning opportunities in 2026.